of course, we've saved myself as well as Do from some unnecessary backache. Well, it's probably more for Do than it is for me. Hello everyone and welcome to our channel.
Hello!
I'm Asi.
And I'm Do. And we're gonna take you on a trip around the world.
Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So as you can tell from the title down below, in this video I'm going to be telling all of you exactly how I managed to pack for 2 weeks with just my hand luggage. Now, we've enjoyed a ton of benefits from being able to travel light. We can take advantage of low-cost flights, which only want you to take like 10 kgs or so. We've also saved a ton of money on car rentals because now we can move around with all of our luggage on just the bike. Of course, we've saved, well, not really me, but Do, from a whole lot of unnecessary backache because now we're moving around with all the stuff that we need and not a whole lot of stuff that we're not even going to use during the trip. So now that we've got the what and the why, we're going to move over to the packing. So I start off with my t-shirts. I do love neutral colors. However, for summer vacations, I do make sure that I bring a bit of color along as well. What I love about these shorts is that they're super chill, but I can also dress them up with a few accessories. If you will be moving around on a bike, I strongly suggest that you take a pair of tights just to avoid flashing everybody. Now, I wouldn't survive 2 weeks without exercise, so I always bring these along, together with my skipping rope, a cap, as well as my phone holder. I only bring 3 pairs of shoes along with me just because I wear my sneakers to the airport. So along with my toiletries, I also pack a little bag full of hair accessories as well as this little jewelry box. The beaded bracelet is actually not for me, but for those that I meet in different countries that share their culture with me and make me feel welcome. These awesome dividers really help me to organize my life. I can find everything with the greatest of ease, and they also keep my suitcase looking very neat and tidy. If I could slow down the clock, I would. When I'm with you, I just feel so good. Clock is ticking, time for the weekend. Work is coming to an end. I got my eyes wide open, savoring the moment, trying to breathe it all in. If I could slow down the clock, I would. When I'm with you, I just feel so good. I'd replay every single night. So for now, let's just take our time. Now that I've got you by my side, Trying to breathe it all in. Trying to breathe it all in.
Before I vanish, I actually decided to try on some of the outfits just to show you guys some of the combinations that I'm able to play around with just a few items in my suitcase. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. We hope to see you same time, same place next week. Be sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and hit that notification button so you're the first to see when we have a new video. And of course, be sure to let us know in the comments down below what other tips you'd like to get from us, so that we are sure that when the new normal is here, we can all travel hassle-free and just have tons of fun with only the stuff that we truly need.
Okay.